Thank you for taking the time to learn more about TAMKO products. This is a series of videos walking you through the proper steps to install TAMKO Heritage laminated asphalt shingles. Be sure to follow all safety and local code requirements. This video will demonstrate roof deck preparation. Once pre-construction considerations are satisfied and you're on your roof, the first order of business is to inspect the roof deck. For new construction, the roof deck needs to be smooth, dry, and free of debris and properly installed per the manufacturer's instructions. When replacing an existing roof, it's especially important to inspect the existing roof deck to determine if it's damaged. Look for rotten or cracked boards or loose nails. Check the thickness of the existing roof deck to see if it meets the qualifications for the shingles you are installing. It may need to be repaired or replaced. It is also a good idea to check the attic for signs of leakage, condensation, or poor ventilation. After inspection, you may install your roof deck. Acceptable types of decking are plywood, OSB, or tongue and groove sheathing board. TAMKO shingles are designed for applications to decks made only out of these materials. Now your roof deck is ready for part 2, underlayments, the next step in the installation process. Thanks for watching. For more TAMKO installation videos, visit tamko.com.